Hi, in this video we are going to learn how the parents can reply to the assignments which is sent by the teachers and how they can reply to the messages which is sent by the school teachers. So for that, please download your own school app and log in with the option sign in with the OTP. Here two options are available to log in. One is using the username and the second one is sign in with the OTP. Just we always prefer sign in with OTP. Just tap on sign in with OTP. Here you have to enter your contact number just like this. Just type your number and tap on get OTP. We receive the OTP. We are going to enter the OTP. So now we logged in as a student now. So here assignment option is showing. If this option is not available for you, please go to App Store or the Play Store and update your app or uninstall and reinstall your app. We'll select the assignments. Here all the assignments will come. So if you want to filter it, like if you tap here, you can select one a particular subject, and if you want to see only English assignments, you can select like this. When you select the English subject, only English assignments will show here. And if you want to select any other subjects like this, you can select here. Here only social science subjects, social science related assignments will show here. So I'll select one assignment. I'll tap on all. I'll select one assignment here. So now we have opened one assignment. This is the assignment which is sent by the teacher. You can also download the attachment which is sent by the teacher. Just tap on that attachment. So this is the attachment which is sent by the teacher. We'll go back to the app. Tap on attend. So we can reply to that assignment to the teacher. Here we need to type our content or the title first. Homework completed. I'll type like this along with the date of submission. Okay, I'll type the content here. And here under add file, you can attach the file. So the file is attaching now. If you want to add some more files, but the file should be less than 5 MB, you can add file and you can attach the file here. Like this, you can attach more files. Once the image or the file gets attached, you can send it. Image is attached, so we can send the assignment to the teacher. Just tap on submit. So we have submitted our assignments. You can see that the three options are available. First one is all, accepted and rejected. All means all the assignments which is sent and rejected or the accepted will come here. Under accepted, if you have sent your assignment to the teacher, if the teacher is satisfied with their answer, she'll accept the assignment. And whichever the assignments are accepted, that will come here, and whichever the assignments are rejected, that will come here. So once it is rejected, you can also resend it by correcting your mistakes. Just tap on that rejected. Here you can edit your assignment and you can resubmit it. Now the second is messages. Just tap on the messages below. Whichever the message is sent by the teachers or the subject teachers will come here. Here you can see one conversation. You can type the message and you can directly send the message here. And if you want to attach any files, you can attach here. But one thing, you can attach the file only up to 5 MB, whether it is a PDF, image, photo or any of the document, but it should be less than 5 MB. You cannot send only attachment. You have to type something here, and along with that you can send the attachment like this. Attach your file, and once the image gets attached, you can send it. we can send the message. So this is all about messages and assignments. Thank you for watching the video.